1000票给Carol，Carol 最后胜出是700票，所以说如果我们华人一半的话，Carol 就有点危险今年，所以说我们为自己感到自豪，为坛城的华人感到自豪啊！好了 ，we just say we fully support you this election season and congratulations to be the first female mayor since Switzerland established 79, yeah. Okay, give us a speech. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Carol McCutcheon. It's good to be back here at the Talent Academy and see so many friends. I am really excited that I was elected to be the next mayor of Sugar Land and the first woman mayor in Sugar Land's history. And thank you to those of you who live in Sugar